Hey YouTube, it's your girl Elle and I am back with another video. Today I will be showcasing how I do my eyebrows. So I'm just going to tell you what utensils you'll need in order to have the perfect eyebrows. You'll need a little compact mirror like I have here. You'll need an angled brush. You'll need a spoolie brush, to brush those brows with. And then you can either use this like flat headed brush, or you can use something similar to this to blend out like the contour under the brow. And then also you'll need whatever you'll be using in order to fill in the eyebrows with. In my case, I'll be using the Bellapierre StayPUT Brow Gel in the color Licorice. And this is what it looks like. This is a sample. I got it in my Ipsy bag this month of January. I did try it out today and I loved it. And it is StayPUT. So I can see myself purchasing this in the near future. And I will also be using some shadow. I use shadow for my brows. That's what I had been using before. This came along, the Bellapierre Brow Gel. And also I was using the Anastasia Dip Brow. But I really didn't like the color, which made the whole experience bad. But that does not mean that I won't go back to it, because I probably will. I'll probably just get a different color. It's a little bit lighter than my brows, or it's a little ashy looking. That's what it is that bothers me. But yeah, so, oh, and then also you'll need tweezers. Because you do want to clean up around the brow first, so it won't be looking raggedy. But some days I don't clean up and they still come out looking great, but I want to do, the full thing for you guys, so without being, cutting corners or anything like that. I am listening to Pandora in the background, so no, I do not own any rights to any of this music that is playing, so disclaimer there. You want to start with your spoolie brush and your little compact mirror, and you want to get your brows in order. So we'll go ahead and do that now. And one thing that I learned while I was in school is your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So don't stress yourself out trying to get them perfect. All right, so now next what you want to do is go ahead and tweeze any unwanted hairs, or if you don't feel comfortable with the tweezer, you can use your razor. So I like to tweeze. It gets the entire hair out of there, so I won't have little steps growing back within a day or so. So I'm just going to clean those up really quick. I hope I'm explaining this in enough detail to where you guys are understanding. If not, just comment down below and, I can talk you through it. All right, and now I'm just going to go ahead and shave off. I'm done with this one, by the way. Ain't that much here. Shave off this, whatchamacallit, my unibrow. It used to be real prominent when I was younger. Not so much anymore because I have shaved the shit out of this thing, so. Okay. So now that we are done with the plucking, the shaving, the Well, maybe not the brushing, that's all I was gonna say. But I'm gonna go ahead and brush again. And at this moment, this is when I would trim anything over top with my little scissors. But I can't find them right now, so I'm just gonna blend everything in. So, usually people, you know, draw on their eyebrows and then conceal. But I'm going to conceal first and then draw them on. I like to have a guideline for when I do this. So, yeah, that's my reasoning. So I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to use that flat brush I told you guys about. So, get some concealer on there. Like so. Find your mirror. Couldn't find mine. And I'm just going to go with my natural line of my eyebrows. So you're going to take your angle brush. I'm going to get it wet. And I have like a little cup of water over here. Spray bottle, cup of water, whatever works for you. And I'm going to dip it in my brow powder or eyeshadow. I use both, it doesn't matter, whatever is available at the time. And I make sure that my brush is pretty flat after I rub it in there. So, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and follow my guideline. And I'm not going to like press down into it. I'm just going to lightly follow that guideline. So, like so. That looks good. So I'm going to grab just a little bit more powder. Make sure my brush is nice and flat. And then I'm just going to go over top. I'm not going to go over top over the eyebrow. I'm going to go within the hairline. So over top, I do not start at the very tip of my eyebrow. At the bottom, I do though, and you'll see. I'll explain that here later. So now that I have my outline done, I'm gonna go ahead and open up my brow gel. And this is the color Licorice. It's like a really, really dark brown. And it matches my brows perfectly. And that's what I was afraid of. I didn't think it would match, but it does, and I am satisfied. And it has its own little brush. And it comes off of the top part. And it's the perfect brush as well too. So I was like, okay. I didn't think I was gonna use it, but fooled me. So grab your mirror again. And now you're gonna fill it in. And I start from my tail of my eyebrow up because I want this tail to be darker than the front of my eyebrow. I want it to be like a nice transition. Don't ask me why, but it works. I mean, people prefer their eyebrows different ways. So whatever works best for you. So when I get up here, I start moving them in here like strokes. And so I don't carry that all the way up to the front because whatever extra product that I have here on my brush, I'm going to use for the very front of my eyebrow, or the head of my eyebrow, tail, head, whatnot, whatever you want to call it. So what I do is I go ahead and blend this little line in down here, and I blend that up, not down. I blend that up into the hairs, so that way it's not like a really harsh line and you can barely tell. So I blend that up, and then I go in and I make sure that is, I don't want it to be too dark, but I do want it to go right into the rest of the brow without it being too noticeable. And ta-da! That's how I do my brow. And see, when you conceal it first and then do your outline, you don't have to go back over and conceal it too much, because I mean it's damn near perfect. So, but yeah, eyebrow, barely an eyebrow, eyebrow, barely an eyebrow. You can definitely tell a difference. Oh my god, that eyebrow is popping, y'all. It's popping. It's popping. It's popping. It's popping. Okay, anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps on the next eyebrow. So, I mean, nobody wants to leave that contour line underneath the eyebrow, so I'm gonna take this little round brush and just blend all that in. Might need to get a little wet. This, what do you call this? This contour dries out. I don't like it too much. I probably should never use this one. But it gets like dry and flaky almost. No, I really don't like that. But you can really see the line now. But I mean, if I was doing the rest of my makeup, I guess it would all be covered up anyways. But I mean, should I just go ahead and do my whole face or no? Nah, not today. But I do have something coming for y'all. Don't think I forgot, because I didn't. That was just yesterday anyway. But yeah. So I'm just going to use my finger. Just like that. But yes, brows are on and popping. And, you know, I can go take over the day with these eyebrows, okay? I don't even need to do anything else to my face, because I have my face right here. This is my face. This makes your whole face. Your eyebrows are the window to your face, okay? I know everybody says the eyes are the windows to your face, but no, your eyebrows. Because if you didn't have eyebrows, nobody would even look at your face. So, no, I'm just kidding. But anyways, you guys, this is how I get my infamous eyebrows. Everybody asks me almost every day, oh my god, who does your eyebrows? Or they look so good. And I do my eyebrows, and I've perfected it over the years. It's been a lot of trial and error. Oh my goodness, I have came from really thin rainbow eyebrows to just the surprise ones, the really big large ones, the not done ones, the half shaven off ones. I had a little mishap one day in high school and shaved my whole end of my eyebrow off. Oh my god, I was devastated. But yeah, my eyebrows have come a long way, and I have finally gotten the right formula down for the perfect eyebrow. So yes, if you like this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Elle Janae. Stay tuned. I'll have something else for you guys here in the near future. Thank you for the support. Love you guys. Peace out. Hey you guys, it's me, your girl Elle. So I